Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers, and good day, my viewers. I am Teacher Patrick. So today I'll be taking you physics, and today's topic is simple AC circuit under unidal post UTME pass question. So here goes the question. An appliance is rated 220 volts root mean square can withstand voltage values up to 440 volts, 1000 volts, 311 volts, 660 volts. So these are the options. Okay. Solution. So the formula we use in solving root mean square voltage, which is root mean square. Take note, this means root mean square. So I'm going to write root mean square voltage. Okay, so VRMS in the question is giving us 220 volts. Okay, and the question says we should find what the voltage it can what withstand up to the values of this. Okay, so now root mean square formula VRMS is always giving us VO over root 2, where VO is what we call the peak current, the peak voltage. Okay, so now since it's called the peak voltage, meaning we are looking for the peak voltage irrespective of this, they are saying voltage values. So this means peak voltage. Okay, so meaning if you want to get the peak voltage, what do we do here? When you cross multiply from this side, you're going to have VO is equal to VRMS root 2. So what is my VRMS in the question is 220 times, what is square root? Use your calculator. Square root is going to give you what? Okay, thank you. It's going to give you 1.4142. So when you multiply these times this, you're going to have 311.14124. And what is the SI unit? Volt. So approximately, to rhyme with what is in the option, you put 311 volt, and which is option C. And that is our final answer. And this is how you solve question involving root mean square voltage. Thank you very much for watching. I still remain Teacher Patrick. Please like, share, comment. If you know you're interested in my online class, you can give me a DM. See you next time again. Bye bye.